this installment of Life As An E.C. with me, your host, Ben, amateur call sign K0BJJEC, Jasper County, Iowa. You're going to get a little bit of a different video. This is more of a short vlog. I'm not going to say it's a vlog because I didn't get much, but I was representing the radio community and providing security for a event over the holiday weekend, and that event was the White Eagle Multicultural Pow Wow. We happen to know the owners. My wife has grown up since this powwow was created with it, so we volunteered to provide security with it. I did bring some radio equipment with and did do some 2 meter repeater work out of the powwow. And with that, I'm going to show you probably about a few minutes of some dancing, a little bit of my morning shot. We actually stayed on the grounds, but as for security, we provided overnight protection as well as day protection. So rotating shifts and long nights. But that's all part of, managing your life with radio and being an E.C. So with that, I will get you to the footage.
Look at them go! Look at them go! Look at that! There's some energy in there. Okay, let's say get some voting going on. How wow, let's hear the yoo-haws and the hey-heys for Father! I don't know, those knees are pretty high. Look at him go. How about some hippie-highs for the one last chance for the daddy.
Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, I may or may not be doing this intro and outro at the same time while maneuvering back home, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. As long as I'm not looking at the camera, there's nothing wrong with that. That being said, I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't done one of these Life As An E.C. We're going to have some more coming up. I'm currently in the process of organizing for a major emergency communications drill. It'll be coming up at the end of October. So I'm not going to have too much with the planning. For sure we're going to have a video of the activation. But right now the planning stuff is just paperwork and figuring out what we're going to do and whatnot. But this is going to be for the Iowa Simulated Emergency Test for the ARRL Iowa Aries section. Its main focus is districts 1 and districts 3. But everyone in the state is highly encouraged to participate. So I look forward to not only helping develop this this drill, but partaking in it myself. And partaking in it, I'm going to be using skills I've never used before. Developing those skills. I'm going to be also. This is the first time I'm going to be managing the team in a major crisis situation. Given it's simulated, which I'd rather have it be simulated and make my mistakes there than have it be real world and then make my mistakes. I mean, this way I get a little chance to redeem myself. But with that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like more of these videos, leave a thumbs up. But if you like the Parks on the Air videos, there'll be one of those coming up here soon. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.